Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a trail sight mounted blind spot mirror. This is something I purchased just to check out, do an install video and see if it's worth buying. So let's get it installed and check it out. The mounting bracket, the arm and the housing are all made of aluminum. This is essentially just a 1-bolt installation with the stainless steel hardware provided. Being as I have the Mabett Trail Sight Lights installed, I decided to put a strip of adhesive foam in here just to protect the lens on top. Using a TP30 Torx bit, remove the bolt at the front of the trail sight. You only need to remove the side of the bolt that's facing you. Using the bolt that comes with the kit, you're now going to attach the mount to the trail sight. You're going to put the bolt through the hole and attach it to the bolt that's already in the trail sight. On the bolt that's facing us, you're going to use a 4mm hex wrench, and on the other side you're going to use the TP30 Torx bit that you were using previously. And now at the front of the mount, you can install the arm. It comes with a bolt pre-inserted for you. You're going to push it into the mount and use your 4mm hex wrench to tighten it down. You can choose to mount this in a variety of different ways. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal. I chose to have it at a 45-degree angle, as that is what worked best for me for my line of sight. Once you've decided what orientation you want, you can remove the protective film off the front of the mirror. This is the final orientation I chose, horizontal for the mirror and the arm at a 45-degree angle. It does work well with the Mabett Trail Sight Lights. I did, however, put a piece of foam underneath, just to protect that lens on top. I've had this installed for a couple of weeks now, and it doesn't vibrate or shake or move at all when you're driving along. It really is nice and strong and sturdy. As you can see, it's a 1-bolt installation, very easy. It mounts to one of the existing bolts on the trail sights, or the trail sight lights if you have those. You just have to take them apart, you place the mounting plate onto the trail sight, and then put the bolt in there. It's very easy indeed. Then you've got another Allen bolt that's in the back that you tighten it down, and you can adjust it however you want. I think this is a neat little addition, something I hadn't really thought of. Maybe you hadn't thought about it either. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Give the video a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.